Jade Sheena Jezebel Jagger is a British jewelry designer, home designer, and former model. She is the daughter of Rolling Stones lead singer Mick Jagger and 1970s fashion icon and human rights advocate Bianca Jagger. Jagger was born on 21 October 1971 at Belvedere Nursing Home in Paris, the only child of rock star Mick Jagger and his only wife, Bianca Jagger. Her parents divorced when she was a child. She is of English and Nicaraguan ancestry. Jagger is the paternal half-sister of Karis Hun Jagger, Elizabeth Scarlett Jagger, James Leroy Augustin Jagger, Georgia May Aisha Jagger, Gabriel Luke Borger Jagger, Lucas Maurice Morad Jagger, and Devereaux Octavian Basil Jagger. In 1996, Jagger launched Jade Incorporated, an integrated jewelry and fashion brand, and in 2001 she began working as the creative director for Gerard, the English company dealing in high-end jewelry. She worked there until 2006 and now promotes a lifestyle concept called Jezebel, which fuses music, clothing, and lifestyle through original recordings, remixes, unplugged sessions, and fashion. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.